going to Vivo City again. Now we're going to Food Republic to eat the
Fried Hokkien Mee.
we will try the fried Hokkien. We're going to mag-date kami. Mga omi o pansit.
Date pansit agad.
Mga omi pansit. Pansit Singapore. Ayan, si Haring Araw. Let's go! Let's go to Food Republic! So guys, ayan, nandito na po tayo sa Vivo City. Ayan, magpa-parking na po kami. Going to park. One slot. So, okay, Rabbi's Dog, we are now here in Vivo City. We're going to Food Republic to eat one of the best delicacy or local dishes of Singapore, the fried prawn Hokkien Mee. Okay, see you guys. That's us. Yeah. Going to order fried Hokkien Mee. fried Hokkien Mee.
这个比啊，写到一半没有零的了，这个
Medium.
写多少？写到半没有零的，
Oh, small.
这样，它这样子放
And then one char siu.
走的。
small one. Ito ang kain ko. Spawn. And then the noodles. Pepper. So, ano na siya? Atong kaunan ron. Fried prawn pakini. Satu ko pa sa Pinas. Pansit palabok. So, ano to? Ano siya? Prawn. Let's go eat.
Homemade ice lemon tea nila.
Ito yung homemade ice lemon tea nila. So, masarap din to. Just ice. Fried macaroni or fried with diao. Burger. Ano kumain ang cowboy ng ice cream? Tanggalin mo yung ulo. Sip-sipin mo. Tapos, kainin mo. Para walang sayang, sama mo yung balat. Yung sa manok, sarap to the bone. Dito naman, sarap ang ganda po. Kasi, good. So, that's it for today's vlog. So, this is one of our food adventure. Fried Hokkien and fried Kikyao. Number 1. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Sarap ang ganda doon. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button below for notification. Thanks for watching my vlog and see you to the next vlog. Bye!